Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending on where you are watching from. Remember, we told you, especially our Igbo brothers who no longer speak Igbo due to slave trade, who wants to still learn Igbo, identify as Igbo. Some of them recently, the Jamaicans, okay, they say Jamaicans. Some of them are doing DNA tests and it is saying Igbo. So this is an opportunity for you to learn Igbo. Learning just a few phrases can help you connect with Igbo speakers instantly. We'll be doing this, but gradually. I will share maybe about 20, if possible, 20 Igbo phrases that are perfect for beginners to help them get started with Igbo language. Join me in this challenge. Let's see how much we can pick up. Gradually, we'll be doing it. Remember, I promised. In today's video, I'll be sharing about, if possible, about 20 Igbo phrases that are perfect for beginners to get started with the language Igbo. Whether you are planning a trip to Nigeria, or you have Igbo friends or family, or simply you want to learn a new language, these phrases will help you. Or you are an Igbo, but you no longer speak Igbo due to, like I said, during those times you were moved out, but you are still Igbo blood. This is an opportunity to learn Igbo. Now, when learning a new language, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, especially if you are a beginner. There are so many words, phrases, and grammar, rules to learn. It can be hard some of the times. It can be hard, normally. You might find yourself thinking, where do I even begin? Or how can I possibly learn all of this? It is gradual. The key is to start small. Focus on learning a few essential phrases at a time and you will be surprised how quickly you can pick up with the language. Few essential phrases, the ones you use often. Igbo is a beautiful language, but it can be challenging for English speakers and others. One of the biggest hurdles is the tones. Igbo has a complex tone system that can completely change the meaning of a word. But don't worry, I will break down each phrase and provide you with pronunciation tips to help you get started. If possible, I might be adding other dialects of Igbo. Igbo has several dialects. Now, another challenge many language learners face is staying motivated. It's easy to get discouraged when you are not seeing progress as quickly as you would like. But the key is to celebrate your small wins, even if it's just learning one new phrase a day. That's why I'm excited to share this essential Igbo phrases with you. They will help you build confidence and stay motivated to continue learning. Okay, let's dive into the phrases. First up, we have Kedu, which means how are you? Start with this. When you see Igbo people, tell them Kedu. It means how are you? It shows you are interested in the other person's well-being. What you will hear from the person normally is Odemma. I am fine. Just like saying I am fine. It is fine. Odemma. There are other dialects, but this basic one will help you connect with any Igbo person. Igbo has various dialects. That is a great way to start your day. But if you want to greet in the morning, normally in Igbo language you say Ụtụtụ ọma, Ịsaala chi. That's like good morning. But normally in the day when you see people, you want to interact with them, you want to connect with them, Kedu. Now the other common one is Dalo. It means thank you. Dalo, thank you. Some other dialects, still in Igbo language, Deme. But let's use Dalo. It is understandable anywhere. Dalo. It shows appreciation and gratitude. Then we have biko, which means please, please. Biko, B-I-K-O, please. Use that intonation. I didn't say biko. Biko. No, I didn't say pronounce it that way. Look at the pronunciation. Biko. It's a polite way to ask for something. If you put biko, it's like please help me do this. But biko is just the please, the please. It's a great phrase to use in a formal situation. Now, when you want to say bye-bye, some of the time, some people use J nkoma, some people say nkoma, bye-bye, bye, nkoma, J nkoma. It's a great way to end a conversation. You are leaving, you are parting with the person. I'm not saying parting as in breaking up, no. You're leaving, okay, bye-bye, bye-bye. Nkoma, nkoma, J nkoma, nkoma. A kind of bid farewell to someone, yeah. Now let's talk about some more phrases. Ahambo. Some dialect, afambo, but let's use ahambo. My name is ahambo. You know, when you meet people newly, you like to know who they are. My name is, that is ahambo. I didn't say ahambo, ahambo, ahambo. No, I didn't say so. I say ahambo. If you say it like this, you are speaking Igbo. The other person will like, oh, you are telling the person ahambo, then you add your name. Ahambo, Buju Banton. Ahambo, Tony. Ahambo, Clara. Ahambo, Jacinta. Ahambo, Chioma. Ahambo, Olivia. Ahambo. My name is. Now, normally, it's a kind of, you are introducing yourself. My name is Ahambo John. Kedu Ahage is now, you are telling the person, what is your name? Remember, we talked about Kedu before. Kedu. Kedu is like, how are you? Now, Kedu Ahage. Kedu Ahage is, what is your name? If you want, you can soften it. Kedu Kwano Ahage. Kedu Kwano Ahage. You want to soften it a bit. Kedu Ahage. What is your name? The person will now say Ahambo. The person will now, you prefix it. Ahambo. Then you put your name. Kedu Ahage. That is a question. What is your name? You now reply, Ahambo. You can do a video after this and send to my WhatsApp number. I will attach my WhatsApp number on this video. But those that want to do this video are people that are non-Igbos, who wants us to show where they speak the language. You can send to our WhatsApp number. We'll publish it here. Mostly people from Jamaica. Yeah. We are looking forward to that. If you're from Jamaica, you are seeing this video, you can do a video of yourself with the few ones we've taught you here. We would like to publish it. Now let's keep going. So remember, my name, a kind of introduction. Ahambo. For example, my name is John. Kedu Afage? Ahambo John. Kedu Afage? That's saying, my name is John. What's your name? Kedu Kwano Ahage, if you want to soften it a bit. I am hungry. I'm teaching you some useful phrase. I am hungry. Ago nagum. Ago nagum. I am hungry. I didn't say ago nagum. Ago nagum. Ago nagum. No, I said ago nagum. You saw the sound, the pronunciation. I am hungry. Ago nagum. I am hungry. This is a useful phrase. You are looking for food. Now let's cover a few more phrases and we'll be out of here. We've taught you Odemma. Odemma is like, it is good. Odemma. Now, but if you want to say this thing is good, you say Ihe Ademma. Some dialects, I don't want to teach you other dialect. I want you to go by one dialect. Ihe a dị mma. That is, this thing is good. But ọ dị mma is just, it is good. You also use it to express satisfaction. Now, when you want to say, I am thirsty, it is different from I am hungry. I am hungry. When you want to say, I am hungry, you say, Ago nagum. But when you want to say, I am thirsty, akpịrị na-akpọ m nkụ. Akpịrị na-akpọ m nkụ. Some say, ọ na-agwazi. But I think the proper thing, akpịrị na-akpọ m nkụ. I am thirsty. Maybe you are looking for something to drink. It could be water, any of this that is drinkable, to quench your thirst first. Remember, we are teaching you the common phrases that will help you to connect gradually. This will continue if you ask for more. I would like to see comments on the comment section saying you are asking for more. Then we will continue with this. Remember, I promise, and I want to fulfill my promise. Kede Bobu. Where is Kede Bobu? Where is it? Where is it? Kede Bobu. Where is Kede Bobu? I didn't say Kede Bobu. I didn't say Kede Bobu. Kede Bobu. Kede Bobu. Kede Bobu. I said Kede Bobu. Kede Bobu. Kede Bobu. Where is? When you are looking for directions, maybe you got to a new place, you don't know the whereabouts, or you're looking for a particular, trying to locate a place. Kede Bobu. You're looking for directions. Remember, these phrases are not only essential, they are used in real life conversations. For example, let's say you are in the market in Nigeria and you want to ask the vendor how much an item costs. You would say, Egone. Egone. I didn't say Egone. 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 I say Egone. How much? How much? You can point to that thing and say, Egone. Or you want to pay for a meal. Egone. They will tell you how much is it. They will flash the amount to you, or they will pronounce it. So today we have learned some few phrases that are essential for beginners, those who want to learn Igbo language. With these few ones, you can at least, to an extent, communicate. It will help you communicate effectively and make meaningful connections for starters. So we have covered some few Igbo phrases that are perfect for beginners, from Kedu to Odemma. These phrases will help you to build a strong foundation in the Igbo language. Now let me just tell you names of few parts of the body. The head is Isi. 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 When you want to say my head, you now say Isim. Isi is head, but when you say my head, Isim. Now, eyes, you call them Anya. I didn't say Anya, Anya, Anya. No, I said Anya, Anya. The eyes. Nose, Imi. Nose, Imi. I didn't say Imi, Imi, Imi. I said Imi. Mouth, Onu. Mouth, Onu. Onu. I didn't say Onu. Now, look at the difference between mouth and neck. Neck, you say Onu. Still the same spelling, but the punctuations are different. Neck, Onu. Mouth is Onu. O-N-U, but with, punctuations. Onu, neck, Onu, mouth. Onu, neck, Onu, mouth. Obi, chest. Your chest is Obi. Obi, chest. I think this is where we draw the curtain on this one. We have learned some few phrases that will help you to connect. We will come back some other time. Please don't forget to comment below with your favorite phrase. Yes, among those you have learned today. Subscribe for more language learning content and check out our other videos on learning Igbo vocabulary. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. I am Azuka OJ. Bye bye for now.